Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an exciting new feature. We've added our Labellerr AI in the Dataset section of our tools. You can see we've added a couple of publicly available datasets here. These are great if you just want to try out our tool without uploading your own data. I'll select the ADE20K dataset for this demo. You can open it by either clicking View Files or the 100 Files button on the dataset card. Let these load for a second. All right, here's a sample from the original ADE20K dataset. I'll choose one of the images. Let's go with this car one. Now here's the cool part. Look for Experiment with Labellerr AI on the right. Just click on it. You'll see a few helpful options pop up, like identifying tags, writing a short description, counting objects, or even using your own custom prompt. Let's start with tags. Since this is a car image, the tags should reflect that. And yep, they look accurate. Next, let's try the description. Here we get a short, meaningful description based on the image, and you can quickly verify if it's correct. Now for object count. This gives us a JSON output showing all the objects and their class names. Finally, let's try something custom. I'll ask it to fetch the number plate of the Chevrolet car. And there you go. We get a focused response. I hope you give this feature a try. It's a great way to explore datasets and experiment with powerful AI tools, all built right into Labellerr. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check us out at labellerr.com. See you next time.